Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get unlimited free sets in Croy Garden 2 game of Roblox using the Robin Pet. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, you're going to purchase the Robin Pet. You're going to wait for it to spawn on the map. Once it spawns, you can immediately purchase it, and then you're going to go back to your garden and place the pet in your garden. Okay, and let me show you the ability of this pet. Basically, this pet can give you free seeds. It says flies around your garden eating ripe fruit and sometimes drop seeds. So if you want to make this pet works, you need to stay in your garden and you can wait a few minutes until you get seeds from the robin. The robin will drop a seed and you need to pick the seed up. It's very simple, and if you want to get more seeds, you need to have more robin pads in your garden. And if you're lucky guys, you'll get rare seed. But so far I just got the common seeds or uncommon seeds like apple, carrot, blueberry, and strawberry. And sometimes coconut and corn, yeah, like that. As soon as the robin drop you a seed, you need to immediately pick it up or the seed will disappear. Okay guys, and that's how you can get unlimited free seeds with the Robin Path and Grey Garden 2 game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.